Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with ChatGPT, the most powerful AI tool in the world. Whether you're a beginner or just curious about this technology, this video is for you. ChatGPT is a language generation model developed by OpenAI. It's capable of generating human-like text and has been used in a variety of applications, including chatbots, language translation, and content generation. In this video, I'll show you how to get started with ChatGPT, from setting up your account to using the tool to generate your own content. So first, let's start by going over the basic steps for setting up your ChatGPT account. To do this, you'll need to create an OpenAI account, which is free and easy to do. Once you have your account, you can access ChatGPT. To create an OpenAI account, all you need to do is go to openai.com and then scroll down to the footer and click the login button. Here, if you have an account already, you can log in, but if you don't yet have an account, you can click the sign up button. Then simply enter in your email address and you can get started creating your account. Alternatively, you could create an account using Google or by using your Microsoft account, as you can see down here. So these other options are also available if you don't want to sign up with your email address. Next, once you have created your account, you will need to go to chat.openai.com, and this is where you'll be able to start using ChatGPT. So as you can see here, I have now opened chat.openai.com, and this is ChatGPT. This is my interface, my dashboard, and yours will be somewhat similar to this. However, if you have created a brand new account, you will not see the current conversations or chats that I have at the moment on the left over here. Yours will be completely empty, and you will just see the new chat screen. So we do have some examples on the dashboard, the capabilities, and the limitations as well. So you can have a look at these to understand a bit more about ChatGPT. However, what I'm going to do now is show you how to use ChatGPT to generate text. So there are several output options for interacting with the ChatGPT language model. This includes sending text inputs and receiving text outputs. You can also specify the length and quality of the generated text. So to demonstrate the power of ChatGPT, let's generate some text. For example, let's ask the ChatGPT model to generate a descriptive paragraph about a city. So what I'm going to do is click into this box down here, and I'm going to write a 100-word description about London. Then simply hit enter. And you can watch as ChatGPT generates a beautifully crafted response in real time. As you can see, ChatGPT is capable of generating human-like text, making it an incredibly powerful tool for a variety of applications. Whether you're building a chatbot, generating content for your website, or just having fun, ChatGPT is an essential tool for anyone interested in AI and language generation. So let's have a look at the 100-word description it has written about London. London is the capital and largest city of England, located in the southeastern part of the country. It is a global hub for commerce, art, education, fashion, and politics. The city is home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks, such as Buckingham Palace, the Tower of London, and the London Eye. London's rich history can be seen in its architecture, from medieval castles to modern skyscrapers. The city is also famous for its diverse cultural scene, including its theatre, music, and food. With its blend of history, culture, and modernity, London is one of the most exciting and dynamic cities in the world. So you can see that in real time, ChatGPT can generate some incredibly insightful text. So now I'm going to give you one more example, and I'm going to say, give me 5 reasons why I should visit London. And there we go. Now in real time, it's going to generate 5 reasons why I should visit London. And as you can see, it's also used some of the content that it has generated in the previous text in its new response down here. And there we go, 5 reasons why I should visit London. Now, I'm just going to give you one final example, and what I'm going to do is tell ChatGPT to turn this information into a 650-word listicle blog post. So a list style blog, basically. So I'm now going to write, use this information to write a 650-word listicle blog post. There we go. So it's going to turn this information into a 650-word listicle blog post with an engaging blog title and a meta description as well. So let's hit enter and let it do its magic. So we have the title, 5 must-see attractions in London. Then we have the meta description, and now it will write the blog post as well. So now I'll let ChatGPT work its magic. There we go, so that has now been finished. So we have had ChatGPT write us a blog post title and a meta description, and then we have an entire blog post as well. Now all you need to do is add some images and of course proofread it and add any additional information that you may want added, and you have an entire blog post created for you. And the crazy thing is, I've only shown you a very small amount of what ChatGPT can actually do. So I'll just give you a little bit more information about ChatGPT. So you have all of your chats over here on the left, and to create a new separate chat, you just need to click the new chat button and you'll be taken back to the dashboard where you can create a brand new chat. Then in the bottom left down here, we have a few more options. You can clear all of your conversations, turn on light mode or dark mode, whichever you prefer, join the OpenAI Discord page, view the recent updates and the FAQs, and finally you can log out of ChatGPT as well. But there we go. That is it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed this quick video and found it helpful. If you're interested in learning more about ChatGPT, be sure to check out some of my other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.